Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Android mobile speaker volume boost. So for that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll here and just click on sound and vibration. Now you can just increase the volume here. Now here you can see a sound assistant, just click on it. Now you can just turn on these options. Now just again scroll here and here you can see in the bottom sound effects, click on it. Now in the bottom here you can see earphone controls and here you can see headphone remote buttons, just click on it. Now after entering your earphone you can just control your volume level to max. And here you can see additional settings, just click on it. And here you can see there are a lot of options here. You can just turn all of this on to get the best experience of volume. You can also install some apps to increase your volume. So for that just go to Play Store and in the top search bar search for volume booster. Now you can just install this app. Now after installing it, just launch this app. Now here you can see the volume. You can just boost it by swiping it right. And if you want to stop the service, just click on stop service and click on OK. So guys, that's how you can increase Android mobile sound speaker boost. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.